Good morning, everybody, and this is your S&P 500 day trade setups for today. So nothing really changed. We've got the Fed minutes coming out tomorrow, and it's a short week with Thanksgiving. So obviously Thursday and Friday is going to be a long weekend for a lot of people. And you know, as I said yesterday, mixed bag of signals. One day on, nothing really changes. So a couple of things. So there is a lot of case here for a bullish setup. So here was the move up. Here's the flag. This is a flag back onto an area of support, 39.22, and potentially setting up for a break up. We then have 4,000 just above us, and as I said yesterday, going to take a lot to get through that. You can see that's kind of what we've been flirting with. So that's the setup that we have at the moment. Obviously, breaking the flag's one thing. I'd want to get above 4,000 before getting too excited about any long-term moves to the upside. So if we drop down through the time frames just to see what we have on offer for today, and you can see this week has been a slow start, and I expect that to continue at least until the Fed minutes are released. So there's so much chaos at the moment. The other thing that we spoke about yesterday was this head and shoulders. So there's a head, shoulder, sorry, head, let's try that again, left shoulder, head, and a bit of a right shoulder here. Now, could also just be sideways consolidation dropping into a channel. So I'm not going to read too much into that at the moment. Yesterday there was a setup for that, but I think that's null and void now. And you can see how we just flirted with this area the whole of yesterday. So moving averages are flat. And we're on the hour at the moment. So moving averages are flat. That's just indicating range. We are ranging. It's pretty clear we're ranging. We can probably just delete that and just use a block here. So take the low of yesterday and the high of yesterday. That's kind of the area that we're consolidating in. Could be an attempt at a break here. Don't trust it, not with that little pin bar there. But there is no structure to the upside. Oh, sorry, I lie. There is structure. And you can see there, and here. Probably a little bit further back, not so much. But anyway, you can see there is a little bit of structure here on our almost slap bang in the middle of these two levels here. And that is at 39.63. So, even dropping down to 15 minutes is not really going to offer us anything. As I said yesterday, sit on hands, and I'm still sit on hands. I think the volumes are pretty low now as well. Fed minutes is what's going to be the catalyst at the moment to see what happens. You can see we didn't even close the gap here, the opening gap. We just flirted with it and just hung around and did nothing. So today probably more the same. Either there may be some little catalyst that'll drive us, but I think it'll be a spike and then we'll go into a tight range again, or we're just going to stay in this range at the moment. Wouldn't surprise me if we just track the top of the flag, waiting for the data. Data is going to be released quite late tomorrow, so the reality of jumping in on a trade just before a public holiday long weekend is not something that excites me. So I'm still sit on hands. We're going to need to see firstly get above 39.64 area, and then I'm going to want to see us get above 4,000. So that's kind of the view that I have at the moment. This is a big area of support, which is 39.21, and if you look at it on the hour, you can see we didn't quite test it. So this level is still open on a shorter time frame as well. But that's kind of my view at the moment. Oscillator's not giving us any clues either, so I'm sit on hands. We'll wait and see what transpires here. Don't even think you've got 5-minute opportunities. No, you wouldn't have had anything yesterday. Just big up, big down, big confusion all over the place. So yeah, I'm sit on hands, guys. Probably going to be the whole week like that. So we'll wait and see. Maybe there's a catalyst. Anyway, hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.